Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add eye reflection effect to your video in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut PC application and I'm going to apply eye reflection effect to this video. First thing first, we need to go to the effect menu. And we're going to select the body effect, and in this body effect you can click on this little arrow and go to the superpowers category. Okay, and here you'll be able to find the eye reflection effect. This one, just tap on it, tap on this plus button to add it to your video, and you can make this effect align with your video by dragging it, and you will be able to customize the color like this. And you can also change the strength. I'm just going to reduce it, and for the color I'm gonna go with this one. We can also change the range. Okay, all right, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add eye reflection effect to our video in CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.